So welcome one and all to a picturesque evening here. A clear night, all the ingredients for a showcase game that the passionate crowd demands. This is Peter Drury, and I'm happy to inform you that Jim Beglin has joined me to offer his expertise.
Well, I can tell you I'm truly delighted to join you, Peter, and thank you very much for that.
Well, the pre-match build-up has been fantastic. Now, the game itself. So we're very much on the way now. Well, he's hit it long, but astray. Hazard providing an outlet on that flank. Towering header! Goal! Fenerbahçe! Fenerbahçe take the lead. A great delivery and a finish to match.
So well played, Peter. Did a great job keeping sight of the ball. Made a classic move and met it perfectly.
So a breakthrough already. And he skips past his man. That is headed for the middle. And he's got the final touch there. Goal kick's been given. Cafu. Oyarthabal. Spread to the right. And here's Azar. That's gone for a throw-in. Seedorf. Not the most accurate pass. Fenerbahçe leading here thanks to Oyarthabal! That is brilliant from Mikhail Oyarthabal! A finish of true class! Again in a trice, and they are soaring! It was the crispest of hits. He just crashed it in.
Well, that was hit with genuine ferocity. You just don't stop those, Peter.
So that's two now without reply.
To be expected, Peter. They've gone and stepped it up. Something they've been threatening to do and will continue to do by the looks of it.
Seedorf. Well played. That has snuffed out the danger. And it's Azar. Strong running down that left flank. Driven in. Tries a shot! Yes! They are purring, truly purring.
Yeah, look, let me tell you that when you're receiving a ball from behind, when you're on the move like that, can be very tricky to negotiate. But technically, I think he got that right, and the finish was beautifully composed.
3-0, and things are starting to look awfully cosy.
Well, their manager seems to have them always thinking about the next goal. When's the next goal coming? They're such an entertaining watch.
Knocks it out wide. Kajolu. He is through here. Crosses it in. Silvestre deals with that comfortably. Tielemans. Vitinha. Now then, the ball's come loose. That's going wide left. So what can they make of this? The pressing's intense and it's paid off. Hazard, Drogba. Drogba was alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. And it's made its way to, and the shot! Well taken goal. And they're threatening to fly away here. The invitation was clear, and it was accepted with the utmost glee.
Mbappe really can't believe his luck. He was allowed so much room when he should have been boxed in.
Fenerbahçe are having a ball here.
Yeah, it's all happening now. There's been an upping of the intention and urgency, a real step up in possession and purpose now.
Oh, it tries one from range. Oh, impressive strike.
It's certainly a bold attempt, and there's nothing wrong with that. Shame he didn't work the keeper a bit more, though.
Silvestre. And here's Oyarzabal. And he shoots! Goal! A quite incredible spell. They are flying.
Some of those players look totally lost out there now, Peter, and you can't blame them.
And that's it. And with that, it's time for me to thank Jim Beglin and to wish you a very good evening.
Hello everybody, and this is a quick reminder to let you know that you'll be able to